Okay, people, good evening. Simon is speaking. Today, I wanted to talk about how to properly use onion skin in Autodesk Sketchbook Professional 2021. You wonder how to make it possible for this frame to be visible at the beginning. Because it is not exactly the same like in OpenTools or Krita. You have multiple onion skins, but the thing is, you want to see this, or even this at the beginning. There is possibility that you can duplicate. For example, if you want to see last frame at the beginning, what you could do, you can always make a duplication. You can duplicate, and when you hold the left mouse button, you can move and drag by mouse button duplicated frame, and you can make bigger space. And now I will show you. Wait a minute. I probably have to move closer. Maybe the reason is because we need to. I think I need to select here. Insert add keyframe. Now it will work. This is what you need to do. It will not work unless you add keyframe and blank canvas. Then you can see drawing what was existing in first frame, but I duplicated copy. And I was holding left mouse button and I dragged here, but you have to make sure you create a blank canvas, which means add the keyframe. You can also add the keyframe here. But on the other hand, I also export frames to PNG format because Sketchbook Professional has frame rate limitation. You cannot really reduce frame rates. For example, you cannot see lower frames per second. Unfortunately, this is the lowest value. So you can export to PNG sequences, for example, up to 25 frames, and you can import in Krita, because Krita will allow you to reduce frames per second, even to 2 frames per second. Otherwise, it will play too quick. Or you can always make bigger spaces, but for me it doesn't make sense. But I published video tutorial. In this tutorial, I wanted to show you how to make it visible on your skin for beginning frame. So I duplicated this and I copied here and I created blank canvas. Well, I could actually do the same. I hope you like my video tutorial. Sketchbook is a great program and I'm working on my new animation. Also, someone asked me to publish video tutorial about Windows Movie Maker, and I will have to do that as well. I hope you like my video people. Good evening and sleep well. I will be going to sleep soon because I have to wake up tomorrow to church in the morning. Sleep well, people.